Hey babe, welcome home.
It's here! Hello everyone, Mike here, and we have the new iPhone 13 Pro Max just delivered by Apple. I was debating if I should pick it up in the store, but Apple actually delivered it on the release date, so thanks Apple for that. So they do have kind of new packaging. This is the gold model, so it's pretty nice. You peel this off here, right? And then pop the iPhone. First look. Peel this off. That screen. Nice and bright. So we have a nice gold trim on the side here. Overall, it's pretty light. You can see cameras are nice. They pop out a little bit. And you do have the USB-C, Type-C cord here, but typically never use a cord to charge the phone. Always do wireless charging at this point, but sometimes you do have to use a cord. But for the phone, I rarely use it. But first impressions, this thing looks really nice. We'll go ahead and turn on and see what it's like. So overall, it is really nice. I've been using it for about an hour. The camera is amazing. Here's a picture from my old phone and then my new phone. As you can see, much more detailed. This is a very nice phone. The battery seems pretty good. I've been using it for a while and it hasn't gone down much. And the sound quality on it is 10 times better than my old phone. So overall, it's looking like very nice upgrade. So this was just a quick first impression video. I want to do a full comparison to my old phone, the iPhone XS Max. Hate saying that, but I had that phone for 3 years and it felt like it was time for an upgrade. This looks like a pretty decent upgrade, but I haven't returned my old phone yet. I'm keeping my old phone, so I don't know. Maybe I'll switch back, but I'm gonna keep this for a few weeks, see how I like it. First impressions are very good. I think I'll stick with it. It looks like a pretty legitimate upgrade from where I was at. From the 12 Pro, I don't know if I would have upgraded, but definitely from where I was at, a lot of things, the sound, Bluetooth, camera, battery life, looking a lot better. So first impressions are very good. So if you do want to see that comparison video, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell for notifications, and if you're unfamiliar with my channel, I make videos on a lot of stuff that I buy online because I do a lot of online shopping and I work with a lot of software and such. So I do reviews, tutorials. So subscribe if you like to see reviews and tutorials on the products that I buy. I want to say if you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.